Hello and welcome to the first episode of the new segment on this channel, Behind the Scenes. Today's video will be in color correction. I've decided to go back and touch up my previous videos on this channel. Now, a bit of background information on this particular video. This was shot on a JVC camcorder so you can see how flat the color is. And this isn't a flat picture profile like most cinematic travel videos put out on YouTube. This is the image one gets out of the camera. Compared to my Panasonic Lumix G7, this doesn't hold a candle to how much flexible in pose you can do to correct the look. The way I do color correction using Vegas Pro is to switch the viewing mode to color correction. Then I use both the Waveform and RGB Parade tools to measure the broadcast safe levels, which is 6 to 235. After that, I apply the following video effects presets, which consists of brightness and saturation and color curves. You can see how I apply the method in this section.